We are here at A to Z Areva. This is my 10th project from A to Z Properties, Bangalore. This is a 12-floor basement G plus 12 floors, 144 units. It is at Bulgaria Road, Bartur, Bangalore. This has been a complete OC project, CCOC project, and it has been successfully completed. And it has got one of the best ventilations, and it has got the best elevations, which has been appreciated by all the customers who have purchased from us. And this being a handing over day today, and we are glad that we have invited all the flat owners. Since the project has been sold out almost a year back, we have invited all our guests here to be present with us in this get-together ceremony, where we have handed over all the flats today, and the project has been successfully completed with Ek Khata, and we have started with registrations. And this was one of the best opportunity where people from throughout the country have invested in this particular project. We have people from all South Indian states, from all North Indian states who have taken and feel proud today that they have taken such a good project. And once it is completed, once it has been completed now with the entire illuminations and the way it is being done, everybody feels proud to be the owner of this A to Z Properties. Thank you.
All flats have to be sold or what?
It has been sold out almost a year back. And now we have got the landowner share who has been selling at a very high premium cost. And since he's been holding some of the premium flats for his own occupation and also few to be sold by him. Apart from that, we have most of the projects that we have done generally get sold out almost a year before the completion. And the same has been repeated here, with almost the sales being completed almost a year back. Thank you.
Sir, what about the next project, sir? Next future products?
We have about 4 projects which are coming up. We do on both joint development and also we take on our own property. And some other properties we have given to other builders, since we do not believe in doing too many projects at a time. We have got current project going on in North Bangalore. We have tied up with Meenakshi Builders, where they have been constructing on a 4 acres plot, 313 flats, which is coming right behind Manathati Park. And we have got one more project which is coming on a 5 acre plot on Tanisandra main road that is getting developed with Sri Mitra developers. And we have got our own project coming up opposite to Krishna Jyoti College in K. Narayanpura. That will be about 450 flats that is due to start next year June, almost a year from now. And we have got other projects coming up on the same road. Again, we have tied up with other builders. On the same road, we have got about 10 acres of property, which is coming out about 800 luxury apartments facing the lake.
If anyone wants to check your work property, you have any website?
We have the website, atzproperties.in, and I request people who would like to invest or would like to be part of our organization, kindly visit A to Z Areva, see the quality and the finishing that has been done there. And I request all those who have been interested and would like to wish to really see the project, may contact us. We will definitely do a site visit, and we also have a site engineer who will be able to take you around the project. We have got excellent corridors with about 6 feet corridors, and we have got very good balconies. We have got very good quality maintained products here. We have got all main doors built of teak wood doors, that is framed, and the door, entire thing is built of teak wood. And internal doors are also of very high quality doors, hardwood. Internal tiles and all have been Exaro tiles, which are all 6 by 4 feet. Italian finish tiles we have used, and fittings have been done from REK products, which are on top quality products that have been purchased.
What's the starting price?
This we have sold out almost a year back. At that time it was about 80 lakh rupees. But now this project is selling at about 1.2 crore rupees starting for 2 BHK, and the landlord is selling at about 1.8 crore rupees for a 3-bedroom apartment here.
ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮೂಡಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗು. ಅತೀಕ್ ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು. ಈ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಹಂಚಿ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರನ್ನ ಖುಷಿಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಹರಳಿಸಿಲ್ದಿರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಸಿನೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಖಾತಾನೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾನೂನಾತ್ಮಕ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡದಿರ ಅವರು ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯಾಗಿ ಬದುಕಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಗವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡುವ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನು ತಾನೇ ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸವನ್ನು ಮೂಡಿಸುವ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅತೀಕ್ ಅಹಮದ್ ಅವರು ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ, ಗ್ರಾಹಕರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.